To start the corner to corner crochet, you're going to chain 6, two, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You do a double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in the next 2 chains, you're going to do double crochet. And that's it for row 1. You have 1 block. To do an increase, you're going to chain 6 again. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then you're going to double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. And in the next 2. And this is the part that people get a little confused. You're going to turn the first block from row 1, and then you're going to slip stitch into the space between the 3 double crochets and the chain 3. And you're going to chain 3 and work 3 double crochets in the same space. This is the second block of row 2. So you have 1 block in row 1 and 2 in row 2. You're going to increase again, so chain 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. Double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. And in the next 2. Again, turn the work and slip stitch into the first chain section from row 2. Chain 3. And 3 double crochets in the same space. 1, 2, and 3. Slip stitch into the next chain 3 space. And chain 3. 1, 2, 3, and 3 double crochets in that same space. You see that we're working diagonal, and every row increases by 1 block. So we'll do another increase, chain 6. 5, 6. Double crochet in the 4th chain from the hook. And in the next 2. turn the work, slip stitch in the chain 3 space. Then you continue working blocks until your piece is as wide as you want it to be. Okay, now that you have the square the width that you want it to be, we're going to start doing decrease rows. So you don't chain the 6 this time. You turn your work and you slip stitch into the 3 double crochets from the previous block. And slip stitch into the chain space. And then you work the block as normal. Chain 3 and 3 double crochet. Then you continue working blocks until you get to the last space. Slip stitch, chain 3, three double crochet. Slip stitch into the space, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 3 double crochet, now you're at your last block. You're just going to slip stitch into the block. Turn your work and then work your next decrease row. So slip stitch into the first 3 double crochets. Slip stitch into the chain space and work your block. Chain 3, 3 double crochet. Slip stitch into the next block. Chain 3, 3 double crochet. Then you're in your last block, you just slip stitch, turn your work, and then do a decrease. So do a slip stitch in the first 3 double crochet, slip stitch into the chain 3 space, oops, chain 3, 3 double crochet, and then slip stitch into the last block. And there you have a square that you worked corner to corner. To finish, I like to turn my work, slip stitch back up that last block, get it in the corner, and then fasten off. And that is a little corner to corner square. This tutorial goes hand in hand with the latest blog post that I wrote. I'll put the description below so you can find out other tips and tricks on corner to corner crochet. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.